Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo, and it's veganary. We're going to be doing a 4-ingredient simple almond milk recipe to kick off the new year. Our ingredients and equipment for today are muslin cloth, sea salt, ground sweet cinnamon, almonds which have been soaked overnight, our Von Chef, and we'll be using 1 litre of water. First thing we're going to do is to pour off the water of the almonds, and then we're going to rinse them in cold water. We're going to blend the almonds into 2 batches, so we're going to put the almonds in the Von Chef with 500 ml of water and blend it very well. The almonds need to be blended really well, so it's into a really fine paste. There mustn't be any little bits left because we're going to put it through the muslin cloth. Once the almonds and the water are thoroughly blended together, we're going to pour that into the muslin cloth and squeeze it through the muslin cloth, getting all of that beautiful liquid out into a bowl. Once you've got all of that beautiful milk into a bowl, you're then going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of cinnamon, and then you're going to whisk that all together, and then you're going to pour that into a jug, at which you will then pour into a sterilized glass bottle. The milk should be stored in the fridge and can last up to 3 to 4 days. It can be used on cereal, it can be used in your hot drinks, and it is really delicious. You could also interchange the nuts. Instead of using almonds, you could use cashews, but whatever you use, know that it's a beautiful milk. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us, and also follow us on all of our other social media platforms. And remember to like, comment and subscribe, and if there's anything you want to see, be sure to comment. See you later.